Okay, good morning. We'll be talking about redox reaction. Simply, what is redox reaction? Redox reaction is a reaction that involves oxidation and reduction, or reduction and oxidation. That is redox reaction. Splitting the word redox, we'll be getting red to be our reduction and ox to be our oxidation. Defining the terms one after the other. Reduction can be defined in three ways, and those three ways are the three principles that is going to help us to understand these redox reactions. Reduction can be defined as one, decrease in charge. When we talk about charge, we are talking about positive and negatives. So decrease in charge will bear a negative sign. Another definition of reduction is gain of electron. Another definition of reduction is addition of hydrogen. Now, oxidation. Oxidation can be defined as one, increase in charge, which is positive sign. If reduction is gain of electron, oxidation will be loss of electron. If reduction is addition of hydrogen, oxidation will be addition of oxygen and removal of hydrogen. Now, if we come to a chemical equation, let's say that we have a chemical equation of sodium reacting with chlorine, and they form what we call sodium chloride. This is a chemical reaction. Now, in a chemical reaction or a chemical equation, I want you to understand that we have what we call the product and the reactant. The product is found at the right hand side of a chemical equation, whereas the reactant is found at the left hand side of the equation. That is to say that the oxidation and reduction will occur at the right hand side, which is the product side. Whereas there is what we call in redox reaction, there is what we call oxidizing agent and reducing agent. These oxidizing agent and reducing agents will occur at the left hand side, which is the reactant side. Now, there's one thing I want you to understand. Any element or compound that is said to be oxidized or that undergoes oxidation in the right hand side, it is said to be the reducing agent. Whereas any element or compound that undergoes reduction at the right hand side, that is the product side, is said to be the oxidizing agent. Now, let us illustrate. We wrote earlier a chemical equation of sodium reacting with chlorine to give us sodium ion and chlorine ion or chloride ion. That is to form sodium chloride. Now, from here, it says to be our oxidation. And here is said to be our reduction. Remember what we said earlier, that reduction is decrease in charge. If you look at the products, remember what I said? I said oxidation or reduction will occur at the right hand side. Now, if you go to our definition, decrease in charge, chlorine is the one bearing the decrease in charge. So it is the reduction. Sodium is the one bearing the positive sign. It is the oxidation. Now, if you go to the definition to gain of electron, you know that in chemistry, gain of electron, the symbol or the charge it bears is a negative sign, whereby loss of electron bears a positive sign. We have illustrated using the two definitions of both the reduction and what oxidation. Now, remember what I said, that we have what we call oxidizing and reducing agents. And I said that oxidizing agent is the one that undergoes reduction. So chlorine is the one undergoing reduction. So therefore, it is our oxidizing agent. Sodium is the one undergoing oxidation. Therefore, it is our reducing agent.